In this video, I'm going to unbox this baby that just arrived. This is an ASUS professional monitor, as you can see, 27-inch. I mean, it's kind of bigger than me, to be honest. Okay, so let's unbox it. Adapter, okay. Adapter, another one. We have Europe and then we have UK. That's handy. Okay, stand. Oh no, this is gonna fall. Okay, hang on. Calibration report. Energy efficiency. This is in the G. Can adjust it also here, but also when you turn this up or down, which cannot do in one hand, but okay. So in terms of using this display for streaming or of course video editing, you want different screens at the same time, but streaming is of course very handy where you need more screen and displays. So we have, we can daisy chain very easily. You have DVI, so that's a standard. This is the old school, but still works. So maybe you want to connect your old display and you daisy chain it with this one and then connect it to your laptop or computer. So you have HDMI, the usual one. We have display port, we have mini display port. We have audio in, we have audio out, USB free A and B, USB free ports, the usual ones, 2 additional USB free ports on the side as well. So there are plenty of options. Okay, and you can literally adjust the height. Of course, like every monitor can adjust the height, but I was wondering where is the button, and it's literally you just push it down and it stays there. And then you go up. So I'm pretty happy with it, and I think it's worth the price. In terms of presets, maybe I'm gonna use like blue light. So, for the evening, preparing for bed and kind of trying to get rid of the blue light. So applying some filter. There are some other options that you can have. So basically it's called ASUS preset ProArt. And you can also have reading mode, so the letters appear clearer and sharper. You can have standard Rec 709 to see how it's going to look like everywhere when you're editing your videos. And this is a standard color gamut. Darkroom preset is great if you have too much light reflecting on the monitor and you're not able to influence the windows or any kind of lights. So this will eliminate that, which, I find it really helpful in some situations. Okay, so overall, I have to say, I've been using it for about 4 days now. So I get back to this video to finish my review. And this display is 75 Hertz refresh rate, which for gamers would be like, oh my God, this is so low, this is so, not so good. But in terms of like price and refresh rate, you don't need 144 refresh rate if you're a video editor or depending on what you're editing, but like graphic designer, digital designer, because you need your display to have a wide range of colors, all the hues, all the standard colors, 100% calibration, 100% RGB, and of course the resolution. So this is the most important thing that you're looking for. Rapid rendering for super fast action if the refresh rate is not efficient and not fast enough. So, but I know that even if the refresh rate is lower, I can compensate this with, so it's called adaptive sync option. You do have quick fit button, align. So that's why I was wondering like why there is a meter on the monitor. So you can align with a quick fit button. You can align to like A4, B5 formats. It's super helpful. You can just go like ruler. So you can just make sure that everything is as it's supposed to be. Overall, I'm really happy with it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe. I'm having more coming, as well as check out the thanks button under this video. And yeah, for any questions, comment, and I will see you next time.